Wow, it was great experience to see the top view of the city. Now I'm going back. There are a lot of parks and lot of beautiful area that I will try to cover in this summer, because especially in summer is like a beautiful and amazing this city and parks you can experience. So you see I am going down accelerator. You don't need to push, only you need to put pedal on the brake and go down. Wow. See, that's why this BC beautiful, because normally if you go out of the city, so you will see the such a beautiful greenery and views. Construction work is ongoing, and this is also new city under construction. Wow, the beautiful views. Want to cover from here.